G'day, it's TimWanderer. We're back at the Gold Coast spit again. Very calm weather. We are going to punch out to FAD 14 this time. Even further out, it's probably about 50k, so 100k return. Target species, Mahi Mahi, or anything basically. Let's see how we go. Nowadays the sun rises at about 6 AM, so there's hardly anyone at the boat ramp when we were there at about 4. It can be a bit dodgy though. It also means that I'm in the water before sun rises. That means I'm operating the boat in pitch dark condition. It can be quite nerve-wracking. Yep, FAD 12.8.
How many meters? 40?
64.
Oh.
Nothing at FAD 12.8. Was actually 12B. So we're gonna head to 12C and see how we go.
Yeah.
Good job, Toy. Was it my line? I don't know. Keep going.
Could be, yeah.
I'm not getting any.
Definitely gonna fall. Oh, yeah.
It's a fish.
Yeah. Could be just imagining things, but it feels like a fish.
Okay.
Could be fake.
It's underneath the boat. Yes!
Oh.
Yes!
Huh?
Good job! In!
Oh, they look like
In!
They look like Moses perch. No, not Moses. What are they called?
Fish?
Oh, they call
I don't know what it is. I think it's perch.
39.
Definitely something there.
Ooh. Oh, lots of nibbles.
We're on top of it, yes. Oh,
Nice.
Snapper.
Sea perch.
I say snapper. Where are we? Oh, right, okay.
Does it feel
Yep, it's still
nice?
fighting.
Is that the jig jig?
Yep.
Oh, nice. You finally got it.
First
Oh,
time
snagged
snapper, jig. Oh, gone.
What?
No way. Look, got him.
Oh, no. Ooh. Snap, snap. That's a good size. Good eating size.
35, you sure?
Yes.
Okay. See you later.
That's one with that thing.
That's a Mahi Mahi, tiny one. Alright, this is the spot. What jig are you guys using? Live bait. Live bait. Nothing. No livey for us. Oh, that's another one too. 72 or there were Mahi Mahi at the FAD, but we have no live bait, so we're going to come out the other spot. We're pretty far actually. We're outside of Jumpinpin right now. It's got a bit of swell, so see how long we can stay out here for.
But mine's further out. Oh, this. No wonder mine's ticking along.
And the wind's about to pick up. It's only 9, but we can feel the breeze. So we're thinking to head back in, but we do a slow tro back. Yeah, so we're going to use a skirt and also one of the lures, see whether we catch anything big. All right, let's go. Oh, just missed those. Even right now we're bottom bashing and there's meant to be fish, but they're not eating. So, and what did they say? A bad day on the water is still better than a good day at work. Anyway, if you enjoy the video, hit the like, share, subscribe buttons. It's TimWanderer. I'll see you out in the water. Funny pelican right there. Poop all over my car with the windows open just then. Like, jeez, man. Yeah, you. The missus not going to be happy. But